2023's first books are now available for purchase. This video will tell you about all 4. In this updated version of our SAP S/4HANA Finance Intro, learn all about the new suite and how it transforms your financial processes. Explore the SAP S/4HANA architecture, financial and management accounting, treasury and risk management, planning, consolidation, and close. Then take a look at available reporting options. Our second finance book provides a deep dive into production variance analysis in SAP S/4HANA. See how to optimize processes and increase profits with the SAP S/4HANA Suite and Universal Journal. Then discover the SAP Fiori apps used for reporting and real-time accounting. We update our long-standing guide to SAP Manufacturing Integration and Intelligence this month, looking at SAP MII with over 700 pages of integration and analytics content. Learn how to manage connections, develop composite applications, and more. This is the nitty-gritty guide to SAP MII you need. Lastly, our 6th Rheinwerk computing release is now available for purchase, this one on Docker. See how to use Docker to add containers to your development workflow, run them, set up custom images, work with commands, and more. Follow along with detailed practical code examples to supplement your learning. See all these new books by visiting our website at www.sappress.com and make sure to subscribe to our channel to learn about upcoming releases. Happy reading!